Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best colostrum supplements on the market, Colostrum-LD by Sovereign Laboratories. If you're looking to boost your digestive health and overall well-being, you've come to the right place. Let's explore why this product stands out from the rest. Colostrum-LD comes in convenient capsule form, each containing powerful bioactive components derived from bovine colostrum. What sets this apart is its liposomal delivery system, ensuring maximum absorption and effectiveness. This means you get more out of each capsule compared to traditional colostrum supplements. The primary benefit of Colostrum-LD is its support for digestive health. It contains a rich blend of immunoglobulins, growth factors, and nutrients that help maintain a healthy gut lining and support immune function. Whether you're dealing with digestive issues or simply want to enhance your overall wellness, this product offers a natural solution. What makes Colostrum-LD stand out? Unlike many other colostrum supplements, it's formulated with a focus on bioavailability. The liposomal delivery system ensures that the beneficial compounds are protected and delivered intact to where they're needed most in your body. In conclusion, Colostrum-LD by Sovereign Laboratories offers a potent blend of bioactive components designed to support your digestive and immune systems. If you're ready to take charge of your health naturally, click the link in the description to get your supply today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews and health tips here on Product Critique.